very warm welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I will be speaking about okra, and if you watch this video to the end, I will be sharing with you tips and how you can prepare okra to get maximum benefits from it, so stay tuned. Okra is a blooming plant with edible seeds that is sometimes referred to as the lady's finger. It thrives in hotter climates and is widely grown in Africa and South Asia. Okra is widely utilized as a vegetable in cuisine, despite the fact that it is actually a fruit. Okra, although not being a household name in terms of nutritious foods, offers a lot of nutritional content. Now let's speak about the health benefits of okra. One of the most important benefits of okra is that it helps to fight cancer. Antioxidants are natural substances that aid in the defense against free radicals, which can cause cell damage. Free radicals are best recognized for creating oxidative stress, which can lead to cancer. Polyphenols, which includes vitamins A and C, are found in okra. It also contains lectin, a protein that has been shown to impede the growth of cancer cells in humans. Okra chemicals were found to suppress the growth of breast cancer cells by up to 63% in a particular study. Okra promotes good heart and brain health. Polyphenols prevent blood clots and reduce free radical damage, lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. Okra's antioxidants may also help your brain by lowering inflammation in the brain. Mucilage, a thick gel-like material found in okra, has the ability to connect with cholesterol and transport it through the body during digestion. Mice that were given a high-fat diet, including okra powder for an 8-week research, showed a decrease in their blood cholesterol levels. Okra will help to keep your blood sugar in check. Okra has been found in several studies to help regulate blood sugar levels. Okra may help prevent sugar from being absorbed during digestion, according to researchers. Purified okra and liquid sugar were given to rats in one study, and they experienced lower blood sugar spikes than the control group. Okra helps with prenatal care. Just 1 cup of okra contains 15% of the daily intake of folate, a nutrient that is especially important for pregnant women. Folate can help lower the chance of neural tube abnormalities, which can harm a developing fetus brain and spine. How to prepare okra for maximum benefits. Wash okra and remove the stem. In a clean container, add about 8 medium roughly chopped okras to 16 ounces of water. Leave okra overnight covered before drinking the okra water. Lots of nutrients from the okra and seeds will be absorbed in the water. You can also add okra to your favorite meals when you're cooking it, and you can eat it just as is without putting it in anything. Due to the presence of oxalates in okra, overconsumption of okra may result in the formation of kidney and gallbladder stones. As with all things, have okra in moderation. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, good health is riches.